Hey everybody, Felix Staffelbaker here. I wanted to make an EOS Blackboard discussions really about the new economy and the new system and how we're seeing publicly traded companies for the first time really start to hold Bitcoin in treasury and start to acquire Bitcoin as a hedge against all the different things going on. And so we're really at the point where we as the community, we as the members that make up the new system basically get to write the rules, and as Dan Larimer would say, we get to engineer the freedom. And so I wanted to really explain how I see EOS playing into that role, because I see companies and businesses the same way that they're holding Bitcoin. I see them holding EOS and having exposure to EOS in much the same way. So right now there are things such as index funds where you have a basket of money that invests in a basket of different publicly traded companies that allow for the money to it basically not be lost at a minimum. So all these publicly traded companies in the index fund are trusted companies. They're S&P 500 companies, they're Fortune 500 companies, and Amazons, the Apples, the Microsofts, the SpaceX, the Googles. And what we can really see is that those are the same companies that are vying to run the EOS mainnet and become EOS block producers. And what we're seeing is, if those companies become EOS block producers and validate the nodes on EOS, then all these same companies that are trusted for an index fund should be trusted to buy EOS as well, because investing in EOS, the security of EOS is dependent on all of the top 21 block producers, which would be the publicly traded companies that happen to be what index funds invest in as well. So really, the success of the EOS network itself is what gives it the credibility to be invested in. And what I really see this as being is a crypto reverse index fund, or C-RIF for short. And I believe that we will see companies and businesses in the future hold EOS and hold C-RIF and hold crypto reverse index funds to be able to basically guarantee that their assets are secure. Because if all of these companies are secure in the network on EOS, then EOS itself is a tremendous asset to own, and right now is the best opportunity, in my opinion, based on all this, because it's ground floor below ICO pricing. And once funds and businesses and people start to get a hold of this, there's over half of the total supply is already staked away and locked away. So there could be a run on EOS, and with the Bancor algorithm and other tokenomics that run the pricing for EOS, I mean, we could be looking at some crazy, crazy stuff. But I really wanted to explain how a crypto reverse index fund works, what it is, and why I believe companies will have some exposure to it in the future. So I just want to put that out there. Staffelbaker out.